Hi students, this is non-majority class. I am your professor Dr. D. Silambarasan. In this video we are going to see hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So we straight away going into the problem. So 3b base 16, the corresponding decimal number we have to convert. Here we have to apply multiply by 16 rule. So multiply by 16 rule, right. So convert each hexadecimal to the decimal number, right. So b, so there is 16 power 0 into 11, so 16 power 1 into 3 as go on. So as usual by 2 power 0, 2 power multiply by 2 rule, here you have to multiply by 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2, 16 power 3 and so on, right. So here the given digit given number contains only 2 digit, it ends with 16 power 1. So 16 power 0, b you have to convert this hexadecimal into a corresponding decimal. B means 11, so 16 power 0 into 11 gives 16, anything power 0 1 into 11 11. Here 16 power 1 into 3, so 16 into 3 48, so the you have to add, so 59. So this is the answer. And consider the second problem, E7.A9. So here this number contains both the integer and the fractional part. You have to convert one by one. For the integer you have to use this rule, multiply by 16 rule. So 16 power 0 into 7, 1 into 6, anything power 0 1 into 7 7. Here E, the corresponding decimal number is 14. So 16 power 1 into 14. So you have to remember that. So 14. So 16 into 14, 224. The result is 231 for the integer part. For the fractional part, we have to apply 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2, 16 power minus 3, etc. Like what we used in binary conversion as 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. So this 9. So for the conversion of fractional number, you have to start from after the fraction. So a is multiplied by 16 power minus 1, 9 is multiplied by 16 power minus 2. If the digit continues here, you have to multiply this digit with 16 power minus 3, right. So a, so 16 power minus 1 by a is the corresponding decimal number for a is 10, so multiplied by 10. So 16 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 16 power 1 into 10, which results in 0.625. 9, so 16 power minus 2 into 9, 1 by 16 square, 256. So 9 by 256 gives 0.03515625. So then you have to add. So this is for a 0.625 and this is this number. So we have to add these two. Then we are going to write the result. So for E7 we get 231. For A9 we get this answer. So after fraction we have to write this answer. So I am giving 2 exercise problems. You have to solve and mail it to me. Right, here we are going to see conversion of decimal to hexadecimal number system. So there we used to multiply by 16 rule. Here you have to use divide by 16 rule. So convert this decimal number to the corresponding hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal sometimes refer to hex, right? So 7562 you have to multiply divide by 16 rule. So 16 472 remaining 10. So divide by 16 29 remaining 8. So 29 1 remaining 13. So you have to convert. If the remainder comes between 1 to 9, you can write as such. So if it comes 10 or greater than 10, you have to convert the corresponding hexadecimal number. So 10 corresponds to A, 8 corresponds to 8, we know that. 13 corresponds to D, here the 1. So you have to write from bottom to top. So 1, D, 8A, this is the result. Students, you have to use the calculator. When you use the calculator, the division shows fractional numbers. So for that what you are going to do is, you have to multiply 472 into 16, which gives 7552. So you have to subtract from this number. So 7562 minus 752 gives 10. This is the remainder. So when we use the calculator, you have to cautious about this. That is, you have to convert divide by this number by the whole number, and you have to write the remaining like this, right. You just follow this. Right. Next, second problem. convert this decimal number to corresponding hexadecimal number. You have to apply divide by 16 rule. So here the remainder is 15, here remainder is 2, here remainder is 12, 8. So 15, the corresponding hexadecimal is F, 2 to 12 be 8. You have to write from bottom to top. The answer is here. Right, as usual I am giving 2 problem for your practice. Students, hope you understand. Thank you.